All right, so let's talk about the elephant in the room. Can a prop firm trader, if you start out trading with the prop firm, can you make money? Is it possible? Well, check this out. Right now, we're trading in my Optimus Futures account, and looking for a little push up here. It's currently about 1:49 in the afternoon, and I might just lock this in just to do it for the video, and then I can focus on what I'm actually trying to make this video about here. We got 15 contracts long. Looking for this to get through that 50 area right here. Almost filled. This is the 5-minute chart, by the way. There we go. Getting some fill. Let me lock this in just to finish this video up with you guys. A little harder to get filled on a live account than a simulated account, obviously. But there we go. We're locking it in. Perfect. Boom. All right. On the day right now, we are up on the day $15,985 in this live funded. I say funded, but it's a live account. It's real. I know. Patrick Wieland trading a real account. Who would have thought? Well, it's real. And the best part about this is there's no rules. There's no consistency rules. There's no drawdown rules. There's just no rules other than basically if my account goes to zero, well, then I lose everything. Obviously, not everybody should try this. Trading is hard. It's difficult. If you're going to start trading, start out small. But once you grow, you can scale that and build it. And you can see here, my P&L. This is my P&L from the beginning of this week until now. We are currently sitting at, what is that? $46,000 this week. $46,000. You can kind of see my P&L here on the week. It was kind of funny because on Monday we had a push. I went back to break even on the day and then kind of had a nice little run up here today. Big, massive move in the market. Wasn't able to really capitalize on that volatility at open, but still being able to walk away up $15,000 in a real money account is pretty nice either way, right? It's pretty nice. And I'm happy about that. You can see kind of the entries, the exits. It's all real. This is not Photoshop. We're not doing any fancy business here. It's all here. This is the Optimus Flow platform. I picked Optimus Futures because I know the guys over there. They're good guys. They got me into, deal with any type of customer service issues. You can email them. They'll answer. They don't even pay me, by the way. They don't pay me to promote them or anything like that. Matt has actually, the CEO, has been here at the BDH on the live stream a few times. So this is who I'm using to trade my own money, not a prop firm account. The platform itself, do I love it? Do I hate it? I think I've been so used to trading on other platforms for a while that I'm kind of still dialing it in. But it's funny because I've actually traded on this platform before in the past, and then I traded on Quant Tower with the prop firm. So I'm getting back to it. I've been trading on the 5-minute chart, which is cool because I think it really kind of forces me to maybe be a little bit more patient, even though I wasn't that patient there. But in general, it kind of gives me a little bit bigger of a picture to look at the overall trend, the market going higher. No reason to be shorting here or anything like that today. There's just no reason to be short today. You take your wins, get in, get out, lock in the profits. I think with this account, what I've really been focused on is just getting in, seeing my setup, taking the profit. There's that push that I wanted right there through the 250s, which coulda, shoulda, woulda. It's always the $1 million question. But right now, kind of pushing up there. And yeah, I don't really know what else to sit here and say. Optimus Futures, it works. You can put your own money into the account. You can email those guys. They'll kind of break down, check out their website. Again, they don't pay me to talk about them, but I'm using them and it works. I think, not really much else to complain about. Overall, right now, my big focus is just kind of getting back to those green days. I kind of went through a moment where I was just I was battling the markets. I felt like it, no matter what I did, going long, going short, just nothing would work. And it's funny because now, after, 3 or 4 days of getting back into it, now I'm oh, okay, all right, hey, we're back, baby. Not that we ever left, but again, it goes back to that story, right? The story of just believing in the process, knowing like, hey, like this is what I need to do. If I want to make money, if I want to be consistent, whatever it is, like I've got to follow this plan and I've got to execute. I've got to get in, I got to get out and lock in that profit as we go. Look at that. This is kind of what I was thinking. We were going to get that push up there through the 260, 280s, high of day push right now. Oh, baby. I'm not going to FOMO. I'm not going to FOMO into it. No. Oh, God, I kind of want to FOMO into it. I'm not going to, though. But in general, again, we're green on the day. We're green in our real money account. We're green in the funded accounts with Tradeify, with Apex Trading, all that fun stuff. We're getting it done. And I just want to make this video to show you guys that there is a process, right? You can start out trading futures with a Propfirm account, with a simulated account. You can learn. You can get your first, get into a funded account. Once you get into a funded account, once you're getting payouts, you can then take that money, out of the Propfirm, and then you can put it into your own account. There is a path forward, You don't always have to trade on Propfirms. And I think a lot of people get caught up in this idea, like, honestly, there's no reason. There really is, like, there's zero reason to trade in a live Propfirm account. I know, like, I do it with Tradeify just because it's, like, fun, but at the end of the day, the benefits of trading your own money are going to be that much better with taxes, with everything, just the breakdowns. I mean, I don't really see the drawback. I see zero drawback to trading your own live account. And I just wanted to put this out here to show you guys, like, hey, look, PW, the biggest Propfirm affiliate in the entire space, the biggest, the largest, even he has a real money account. Like, who would have thought that the influencer guy on YouTube would be able to make money in a real market? Which is funny because, again, like, if you can make money in a Propfirm account with all the rules and all the regulation and all the stuff going on, like, if you can do it in a Propfirm account, you could definitely do it in a real money account. So that's kind of the way the vision that I see for people, right? You start out trading, you get into a simulated account, an eval, whatever it is. You then get into a funded account, you get your first payout, and then take that payout money and put it into a real money account. Or, at that point, like, graduate and then take your own money and put it. But there's no point in, like, a beginner trader going and putting $10,000 into a futures account because you're just going to lose it. So you're better off, buy one evaluation, try to get it passed, go into a funded account, then try to get a payout. So that should be like your steps, right? Step 1, buy an eval or simulated account, whatever, and then get it funded and then get a payout. Once you get a payout, it's like, hey, I did it, right? I followed the rules. I beat the game. I now got my payout. And I'm moving forward here, right? I'm moving up the ladder. That's the goal. The goal is not to sit on YouTube all day, every day, just talking about trading. And, well, maybe that was for me. But for normal people, the goal here is to take your money and then use it to make more money. Use it to make more money. Again, they're really just like, at the end of the day, the benefit of being in a Propfirm live fund account, it's a hard argument, right? It's a hard argument. If you have the capital and you have the experience and you've built up the foundation, after a year, 2 years, whatever it is, you built it up. Now it's time to get self-funded. Now it's time to see, like, hey, can I make money when nobody's watching? Can I make money when there are no rules? Can I make money when there's nobody stopping me from making money? If that makes sense. So that's it. That's all I got. The path to live, the path to the future, the path to, well, yeah, the path to it all. Make some money, lock it in, and then get out of there. Look at that. Oof. Should have held that. Should have, could have, would have. Oh, it's going to make a new high. Oh, 19,300. Oh, my Lord. The NASDAQ going to the absolute moon today. There it is. Make sure you tune in. Freshcast Friday, baby. We are up on a Thursday. Can you say that we're up on a Thursday?